How do I check my e-file status on IRS? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video, I'm going to talk about how can you check your e-file status on IRS. In order to check the status of your e-file tax return with IRS, you can use the Where is My Refund tool available on the website or through the IRS To Go mobile app, and here's how you can do it. Visit the IRS website at irs.gov.com. On the home page, under the File tab section, click on Refund and select Where is My Refund. You will need to provide your Social Security number or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number (ITIN), your filing status, and the exact whole dollar amount of your refund. Enter this information into the required fields and click on Submit to view the status of your refund. Talking about IRS To Go mobile app, download and install the IRS To Go mobile app from the App Store for the iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Open the app and select the refund status. Enter your Social Security number or ITIN, your filing status, and the exact whole dollar amount of your refund. Tap Check Status to view the status of your refund, and once you have submitted your information, the Where is My Refund tool will provide you the current status of your refund. It will inform you if your return has been received, if it's been processed, and when you can expect your return to be issued. If there are any issues or delays with your return, the tool may provide additional instructions or information. It's very important to note that the status of your refund is typically updated once a day, usually overnight, and therefore it is advisable to check back periodically if any updates, especially if you have recently filed your return. If you encounter any issues or have any questions about your refund status, you can contact the IRS for the assistance. So this was basically on how can you check your e-file status on IRS. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.